Hello, my name is Virenshi Maurya and my roll number is 20CS10075. For my DIY project, I decided to make a chair. I made the seat and the backrest of the chair using the pad option available on FreeCAD by making two rectangles and assigning them thickness. I made the legs of the chair by making a sketch of a long thin rectangle, and revolving it around its axis. And I copied each one of those rectangles 4 times and changed the placement of each of those legs so that they would go into the correct place under the base of the seat. In order to make the armrests, I decided to take 3 discs, 2 in the plane of the backrest and 1 in the plane of the seat, and loft the 3 of them so that I would get a smooth curve for the armrest. And so I made 4 such circles in the plane of the backrest and 2 circles in the plane of the base, and then use the loft option to make both armrests, as you can see. After that, I kind of felt like the chair was getting a bit plain, and so I decided to add a little bit of design by making holes in the upper part of the chair. In order to make these holes, I took a cube and used the fillet option to smooth over its edges. Then I used the array option and made copies of that cube. And then later on, I changed the settings and the position of the cube so that I could get them in proper positions for the holes to look nice. Once this was finished, I used a Boolean operation to get rid of the space which the cubes occupied on the backrest, and so we got an array of holes. As the final touches for my chair, I decided to add a cushion and feet for the legs so that it would look like a normal chair. And for that, I used cubes and a cylinder. The cubes were for the cushioning, and I smoothed over the edges. And for the cylinder and for the feet, I decreased the height of a cylinder and added them below the feet. And finally, I saved my project as an STL file to make it ready for 3D printing. Thank you for watching.